Hi there. My name is Ali. What's your name? Hi, Ali. I'm Saad. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Saad. Are you new here? Yes, I just moved to this city last week. I joined Coolidge Name recently. What about you? Oh, that's great. I've been here for a few years. I'm also a student at Yin. Which grade are you in? I'm in your grass. What about you? Same here. Looks like we'll be classmates. That's awesome. How do you like the school so far? It's pretty good. The teachers are nice and there are lots of activities to join. What's your favorite subject? I like science, especially biology. I find it fascinating to learn how the human body works. Science is cool, but I prefer math. I enjoy solving problems and figuring things out. Math is fun too. Are there any clubs or sports teams here? Oh, yes, plenty. We have a football team, a debate club, and even a science club. Are you interested in joining any? I might join the football team. I love playing football. What about you? I'm in the debate club. I enjoy discussing different topics and improving my speaking skills. So, Saad, what do you usually do in your free time? I enjoy playing video games and reading books. What about you? I like playing cricket and watching movies. Do you have a favorite video game? Yes, I love playing FIFA. It's so exciting. Do you watch football matches? Sometimes, but I prefer cricket. Do you like cricket too? Yes, but I'm not very good at playing it. Maybe you can teach me sometime. Sure, I'd be happy to. By the way, Ali, do you have any plans for the future? Yes, I want to become an engineer. I enjoy building things and working with technology. What about you? That's interesting. I want to be a doctor. I've always wanted to help people and learn about medicine. That's a great goal, Saad. You'll make an excellent doctor. Thanks, Ali. I'm sure you'll be a brilliant engineer too. Making plans to hang out? So, do you have any plans for the weekend? Not really. I'm still getting to know the area. Any recommendations? There's a nice park nearby where we can play football. Want to join me and some friends on Saturday? That sounds great. What time should I come? Let's meet at 4 p.m. I'll introduce you to the others too. Perfect. I'm looking forward to it. By the way, how's your English? I think it's okay, but I want to improve my speaking skills. What about you? I practice a lot by talking with friends and watching movies. Maybe we can practice together? That's a good idea. Let's do it. Great. Let's start now. I'll ask you a question and you answer. Then you ask me a question. All right, let's try. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. What about you? I like biryani. What's your favorite color? Blue. And yours? Green. See, this is fun and easy. Thanks, Ali. You're really easy to talk to. I'm glad we met. Same here, Saad. It's always nice to make new friends. I'll see you at the park on Saturday. Definitely. Take care and welcome again to the city. Thanks, Allie. See you soon. This dialogue is structured for practicing casual conversations and improving fluency in English. It can be adjusted or expanded based on specific topics of interest. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share it with your friends.